how are you? So today we're starting 6.5 logistic growth. So logistic growth, so usually they using population. Okay, so population using exponential function or log function. So this time, before get into, we need technique. Okay, so what's that? Partial fraction decomposition. We should know that. So which means distinct linear denominator. So trying to denominator make a linear. When you linear, for example, 1 of x integral, which means like ln x, right? So when you make a linear, easy to find integral for like linear ln x or log function. Okay, so we're trying to make a log function first. Alright, so like definition, if fx like px over qx, pq the polynomial, but p degree is less than q degree, which means q denominator degree is higher than numerator. And then if p is written as the product of linear function, a linear factor, like here, like x minus 1 x minus 2, something like that. And fx is written sum of rational function, which means this one like 1 over x minus 1 plus x minus 2, something like that. So sum is of together, add together rational function with distinct linear denominator, like linear denominator. Okay, so right now learn technique, and maybe next time try to apply the model. Right, so finding particle fraction denominator decomposition, this part. So sum of rational function linear denominator. I told you that something okay, sum add together. Okay, so how we can do that? Here rewrite again. X minus 13 and 2x squared 7 plus 3. Probably you learned before pre-calculus, right? Like this one factoring. So 2x x 1 3 negative negative. Okay, so we have 2x minus 1 plus x minus 3, like AB. Okay, how can you find AB? So A x minus 3 plus B 2x minus 1 equal to x minus 13. So how we can do that? First way, cancel the part, maybe later as a B part. So maybe x will be 3. A part gone out, so only B part to B value we can find that. So 3. So B 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 subtract 13, negative 10, right? So it'll be B right here. B will be negative 2. Okay. Now it's A. 2. A. So when your x value 1 over 2 is going to 0, right? Only A left here. So A 1 over 2 subtract 3, negative 5 over 2 equal to 1 over 2 subtract 13, 12, 1 over 2 negative, which is negative 25 over 2. So 2 to cancel, make a positive, 5 divide, so A will be 5. Okay, so read right down here, A will be 5, 2x minus 1 is negative sign here, negative 2x minus 3. Okay, we're done. This one is partial fraction decomposition. Okay, this one make decomposition. Right, do one more time. Now find the partial fraction and integral, so anti-differentiating, right? So here, so we're gonna deal with the inside first. But numerator degrees higher than denominator, so we need the long division, right? So 3x fourth minus 1 plus 1 and x squared minus 1. We need 3x squared, right? So times here, the 3x fourth minus 3x squared. Subtract 3x squared plus 1 going down. So we need 3. Try to cancel here. 3x squared minus 3, right? And then this cancel like that, right? So here 4. Okay, so quotient here and the remainder, right? So write down integral quotient to first 3x squared plus 3 plus 4 over x squared minus 1 dx. Okay, also we're gonna deal with the inside. Maybe change the color to look at. Okay, this part. So decomposition. So 4x squared minus 1. This one a factor. You know that x minus 1 plus x plus 1, right? Maybe AB. So same way, what a x plus 1 b x minus 1 is before. So first one, a maybe negative 1. Just cancel negative 1, negative 1. So p negative 2 will be 4, which means p negative 2. Okay, so 2 x will be 1. So you cancel, right? Only here 1 is a, 2 will be 4, right? So a will be 2. Okay, 2 and negative 2. So rewrite down your integral, because we can do that. Change the color one more time. Okay, this is an integral 3x squared x cubed. 3 will be 3x and plus 2 is common, take it out. Integral first one a will be, because here will be 2 and here negative 2, right? So 1 over x minus 1 minus sign 1 over x plus 1 will be respected to x, right? Alright, one more time. X cubed 3x plus 2, let's see here, ln absolute value x minus 1 negative ln absolute value x plus 1 and plus c. Alright, to simplify, we combine x cubed 3x plus 2 ln, subtract means division, right? Big absolute value, so x minus 1 over x plus 1 absolute value plus c. Right, that's it. Okay, previous question we just make partial fraction decomposition. Right now this numerator is much higher, so using long division find the quotient and remainder separately, and also denominator should need, this is not linear, so trying to decomposition make linear and log, right? Ln function. Okay, alright, last one more, last question. Now it's 3 partial fraction. So they say most laborious, so hard question. I don't think so. So find the general solution to that one. Alright, so same way we're gonna deal with this part. So looks like we can do factor. So x minus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x minus 1, right? Also a, b, c. So same way, a x plus 2 x minus 1, b x minus 2 x minus 1, and c x minus 2 x plus 2. This one equal to, for numerator, we compare with numerator, right? Square 8x minus 4, something like that. Okay, we method exactly the same before, right? So one by one, first one, very simple here, x meaning negative 2. You don't have to find the ABC, the ABC, the ABC, the order. Just what we think is easier, or just start in front, doesn't matter. So negative 2 is cancel, just cancel, only middle, which is B. Negative 2 make negative 4, negative 2, negative 3, which is looks like 12. And here x6 negative 2 and 4 because the square, minus make positive 16 negative 4. Okay, this looks like 24, 36. Okay, also this positive 12, right? So B will be 3. Okay, 2. Maybe this one again, x equal 1. Cancel, only cancel. Is C on your left. 1, 1. So C 1 will be negative 1. 1 will be 3. Okay. How about here? 1, 6, 8, 4. Negative 6. So C will be 2. Okay, third one. Yeah, this time x just 2 before negative 2, just 2. So only A. Everything's cancelled out. So 2 will be 4. 2 will be just 1. 2 will be 24. 2 is negative, which means negative 16, negative 4. So it looks like just 4. So A will be 1. Alright, so we're done. Oh, I got a different color. Okay, maybe now a different color. Only for you. Alright, so integral right away. So y integral, right? We find a 1, right? B 3, C 2. All positive. Good. So 1 over x minus 2 plus 3 x plus 2 plus c 2 over x minus 1 all together respect to x. Okay, now ln. Good. So ln absolute value x minus 2, 3 in front, right? ln absolute value x plus 2 plus 2 in front, ln x minus 1 plus c. Alright, so one more time. Plus means multiplication, right? 3 going to power, right? Exponent. So ln parenthesis x minus 2 times x minus plus 2 q plus no plus, sorry, times. Oh, sorry about that. Oof. Okay, so x minus 1 square close parenthesis plus c. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me give you a couple homework for you. So just practice partial fraction decomposition. All right. Okay. See you. Bye bye.